What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG and AOMC channels once again. I'm back. It's a crisp, cool Appalachian morning, and yeah, we had a teaser video from SHERCO yesterday, the same day as the KTM launch. Which is pretty interesting. And yeah, guys, I've heard it pronounced, if you're in the US, I've heard it pronounced SHERCO, I've heard it pronounced SHERCO. For consistency's sake, I'm just gonna say SHERCO. First of all, guys, I love this brand. We are a dealer for SHERCO, and I've worked on some of these bikes and I've ridden these bikes. We did a demo for the SHERCOs at our dealership. Oh, it's been, I don't know, 18 months or 2 years ago now, and I got to ride just about all of them. Really fell in love with the SHERCO 300 two-stroke. If you're unfamiliar with the brand and you want a carbureted two-stroke, you want a carbureted 300 two-stroke especially, that's electric start and modern and refined but still has that carb, that's the bike for you, I think, guys. It runs so smooth, so little vibration, and yeah, I don't feel like they're at the point KTM is, but because they are a smaller brand, they are able to fit under that emissions radar for the Euro 5, Euro 6 standards and all that stuff. But they are a very cool brand for sure, and I'm super interested in them. So let's watch this teaser video real quick. All right, guys, so it's a cool video, gets me hyped up. It's got a couple 4-strokes and a 2-stroke, and you know, they're doing whips over the tabletop and stuff, which is cool to see because they have headlights and tail lights and stuff like that. These bikes are sweet for sure. So, you know, the title of this video is Model Year 2023 launch, and then in the description it says more info coming soon to the website. You know, nothing on the website yet. I'm not surprised. I kind of thought it was a little early for them to be dropping 2023 info, but when they do drop the 2023 info, I'll be sharing it right on here with you guys. So yeah, guys, love the brand. A lot of guys are a huge fan of these bikes because they're a way, especially the 2-strokes, because they're a way for them to get a carbureted 2-stroke with KYB suspension, which a lot of people think is the ultimate setup. I won't lie, guys, they're not cheap. So I can't wait to see how they've adjusted their 2023 US MSRPs with our inflation and supply chain problems and all that. But when I know that information, I'll be dropping it here first. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys. I'll see you in the next video.